Mike?
You got a new whip?
You like my new ride? Lawn mowing videos. Who wants to see more lawn mowing videos?
I definitely do.
So, the plan is, tonight, we're going...
Camping.
Camping, of course we are. Mike brought his KLR. I'm going to take the YZ
You're
out.
gonna take the lawnmower.
I could take it, actually. That would be pretty funny. But, Mike, you haven't seen the YZ yet.
Oh, I just did.
I've been riding around here by myself, nobody to ride with. But we're going to be camping with the YZ. I figured it was time to go camping with it.
So we can be towing sleds or what? Like,
Yeah.
you wanna ride two up?
We're taking one bike.
Back to back.
Okay, let me throw some gas in this thing if you want to hold that. We're going to top it off.
You wanna do a tutorial? Oops. I think
gas.
No, it's still going. You wanna do a tutorial on how to put gas in the dirt bike?
First, you remove the ding-along.
The ding-along, ling-long.
Make sure that you have the ling-long on the ding-along, which is this little plastic piece here. You go ahead and tilt it. And you wait till it's about full, and then you go another half cup.
Yeah, just so it comes down and clean your bike off a bit.
Especially with plastics and stickers.
So you're a Yamaha fan now.
See, with the 4-stroke, you want to mix it 50-50. That's 50% water, 50% gasoline. And that's what I have in there. It saves you money.
I thought it was 50% oil.
No, it's water.
Oh,
I've been doing it wrong this whole time. I have my gear already. Are you all set?
I think so, but I have a present for you.
You want to show me the present right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you know about energy creation inside the sun?
What?
How is energy made? You should be able to tell me, man. This is yours.
Is that mine? Where did that come from? What? How did you get that?
Your science teacher retired and cleaned out his office, so this is yours.
Oh, which one? This was like 10 years
No
ago?
excuse.
10, 11 years ago? Wow, that's crazy, Mike. You gonna frame this and put it on your wall or something?
Oh, well, you could.
You want me to have it? Huh. Well, I gotta throw the old lawnmower in the garage and then we'll get going. It's gonna be dark out.
You want to tow it?
No, I'll start it up. I just got it. Unless you want to ride 2 up on the lawnmower.
You have a wagon?
I don't have a wagon, no.
Oh. So what are you doing riding around on the main road with only one headlight there?
Is there one headlight?
Yeah.
Oh, I was doing the trail down there.
I thought you were trying to like come up behind me on the dirt bike. I saw you down there.
No, actually,
the Smoking the Bandit type stuff.
I finished the lawn, so it was good that you're a little bit late. That's it? You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go camping. Did you bring a tent?
I did.
All right. Oh boy. We're on dirt bike with a big backpack on the back. Woo. A little heavier. Okay, here we go. So I guess we're just gonna go down the dirt road here and look for a road, go exploring, find a place to camp. That's what we're up to today. Let's see, we got choices. That looks like a drive, a private. Yeah, we can't go that way, so we'll take a left. How's that sound? Yeah, you want to go in there? All right, after you. Sure. If it's clear. It looks like it's pretty clear. Yeah, right here. Nice. Hey, we found the spot. You got nature's sleeping pad here, some moss. Oh, this is a perfect spot. Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
I think this is a really nice spot, and I think we can fire it up. You want to do the beans you mentioned?
I do have some beans with me.
I think I've got some spoons stuck in my front fender from freaking when we did the Trans-American Trail.
Still from the TAT. Did you bring a bowl?
No.
Oh, okay. All right, well, I got a big thing of beans.
Yeah.
The best beans, too.
Seen Lord of the Rings, right?
I've seen Lord of the Rings many times. What you got?
Reforged has been the blade that was broken.
Oh, yeah. You guys remember this? Well, I remember it at least.
Look how straight that is.
Look how straight. It's like a strip of bacon. Oh, this is the new one, huh? No, is this the one? Is this Gerber? Yeah, no, this is the one. You straightened it.
Yeah.
Wow. That is pretty nice.
Well, I mean...
It used to look like a strip of bacon.
I have an old railroad section, and I went out there with the old ball peen and fixed this up.
You left on the railroad tracks a couple nights.
Yeah.
You took the blade off.
I've got one in here.
What do you got? You got your comb. You got the deodorant.
I don't have a headlamp.
You don't have a headlamp?
No.
Yeah, I barely have one. I don't have a strap on mine. Oh, going with the bungees.
That's your bungee, actually.
Hey, this actually looks like a big tent. I thought you were going to bring a little tiny one.
No, that one's pretty busted. Hey, you like my plate?
It's still bent.
That's the...
You fixed your machete.
The official ruling on that is a dent. Even though it is actually bent. The purple kid working on that New York...
What is that?
Some animal just jumped around up in those trees.
Oh, that is definitely Squatch.
So the official ruling is that kid in the New York toll booth came out because their photos couldn't pick up my plate number. He had to come around and then inform me I had a dent in my plate because he thought I was counterfeiting money.
What you were?
And no, I had to ask him. How did that get there? Yeah. Look at how nice that's rolled up, dude.
Wow.
Look at this.
Won't be like that for long.
Just look at this.
Is it? What? I've never seen this before.
You have?
I've seen this tent.
Yeah.
It looks like golden. Looks perfect. I've never seen
it. It is perfect.
A tent of ours so perfect.
You do the light. I'll put these together.
Okay. Just found this over on the ground. The 5-star hotel. That's what we have here tonight. Mike's cutting a stick to shove in the tent hole. And then we're gonna cook up some beans.
Oh, how do I shut the lighter off? So we're about ready to cook our beans. We're gonna make some coals here, and yeah, when we get the beans on and whatever, we'll let you know. But we'll be back after a word from our sponsors. Ride More t-shirts. Get yours today at the Ride More store. So we're back here. You know what I was trying to do?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's funny, just all one take.
Yeah.
The best part of the camping trip right here. We have the best beans in the world right here.
Wait a minute. We can't show them the label.
Yeah, blur it out. Okay. The best beans. These are home cooked beans.
Jeremy canned these himself.
Get your beans at the Ride More store. You want pot? You got your can opener?
Yeah.
Mike's always got his knife ready to chase down any animal. And similar to what he's doing to this can.
Well,
It guts
first thing
him out.
you do when you get an animal pinned down is you got to cut around its anus.
Right, and he's cutting the anus of the can.
And then you peel the skin back, which we don't have to do on the can.
Make sure
tell by
you
the tone how close you are to the... There, you see?
make sure you leave some leftover chicken because we all love salmonella.
And then you just plop that in the fire.
Yep, along with your fingers and good to go.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Time to eat. All right, we had our beans.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
That's right.
Muscle shot. Oh, and the Rydemore shirt. Oh, double bam.
So we're gonna get some sleep and we'll pick this thing up in the morning. Here we go. You got anything to say, Mike?
I kind of already told them all my life advice.
Okay, well. All right, we'll see you in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, where are you going? Good morning, guys. We survived the night. Where are the bikes? There are the bikes. Yeah. So, that is that. Another camping trip down. You can actually stand up in this one. Yeah. Rip another hole in your tent.
Yeah.
Well, this is the camp spot last night. Looking pretty good. Nice bikes over here.
And it was actually
The 5-star.
the 5-star.
And the stick held up pretty good.
Held up fabulously. 5-star stick.
Someday along here, we're gonna do a review and a walkthrough of all the gear that we use camping. So in the description, in the comments, you gotta let us know if you want to see that.
4 Lyme disease sticks out of 5.
Got some ticks. Do you think my bike will start? It's pretty easy to kickstart yours.
Yeah.
Hey.
I put in a new air filter too.
There we go. Okay, ready to rip. First thing in the morning. A little camp spot here is pretty good. Alright, ready? You want me to go first? Or do you want to go? Okay, I'll go. Woo! Okay, I'll wait up for you. Blam, 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 blam. Oh, we can take a left. What do you think, left or right, Mike? We took it right last time. You want to try left? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I don't know if we've gone this way before. I think it all connects to that one main route. Oh, oh, we got a little bridge. You going over it? Oh, you got it. Let's just hope my motocross tires don't lug through there. The board's cracking. Oh, not so bad. That was pretty fun. Boomer, yeah, it's single track. Let's go right. Hey, look at that, man. I knew we'd end up here. Oop, almost lost my GoPro. Another successful camping trip. Wow. Hey, we go rip the snowmobiles around. Are you gonna ride this or no? Okay. Just making sure. That is what we're gonna do, my friends. Bam. So, we have officially gone on the first camping trip with a YZ 450. It was a good one too. Out on the trails just like it wants to be. What do you think?
I think you should get the truck fixed and we can actually take it.
Yeah, I know. I'm working on getting my truck fixed. But we're going to end this video right here, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, be sure to give it a big old smash that like button. And also check out our social media links down in the description. Mike's going to be there too. Go check it out for us. It would mean a lot to us. We're really trying to build up our Instagrams. Instagram's the place. That's where it's at. So go check that out for us. And hope you guys enjoyed this one. Final thoughts?
I think you guys should also, if you've got the time, comment what you would like to see down below. Because Jeremy reads every single comment. And then we're trying to make you guys the videos you want to see.
That's right. So do that for us too. That'd mean a lot to us. So with that said, we're going to end this right here. I'll let you do the honors, Mike.
Kaboom.
Yeah. All right. It's a wrap.